Hello everyone, so today we're gonna make an aesthetic calendar. So let's start the video. Take a tape roll and cover all the advertisement on it by painting it with a white paint. Then make designs of your choice. Here I have made a brick design. And after that you have to take 4 ice cream sticks. So here I have green one, and because this dark green shade was little annoying to me, I painted it with white, and eventually it became light green. So next take a ribbon and stick it on the ice cream sticks as I do in the video. So after that I have pasted a pink bow, and it is optional, you can also skip this, but I prefer to paste this because it looks so aesthetic. After that I have also used some beads to decorate it, and this is too optional. So this is how it looks. So then take a paper clip. Here I have made it by myself using ice cream sticks, and to hide this rubber band a little bit I have stick some beads, and you can see it is working properly. Then on a piece of paper I have made months, two on front and one on back, so that there will be 3 months on the one side. The same will be done on the other sides too, and then 4 into 3 will make 12 months. And then we use the paper clip to hang it on the ribbon, as you can see. Look how beautiful and aesthetic this looks. So bye, tata, like, share and subscribe.